two Ohio Republican lawmakers have filed a lawsuit to try and keep abortion off the ballot in their state come November. The lawsuit was filed days after the pro-abortion amendment was officially added to the ballot. They allege that the ballot petition does not identify which laws would change if the measure passes. The group Ohioans for Reproductive Rights asked the state Supreme Court to expedite the case and say they are confident the amendment meets all legal requirements. But before November, Ohioans head to the polls in just a few days on August 8th to vote in a special election that could raise the threshold of support needed to amend the state's constitution. More than 300,000 voters have already cast their ballot, a dramatic increase in voter activity compared to last year's midterms. Last week, we reported that 500 veterans and military personnel have voiced opposition to Senator Tommy Tuberville's blockade on military nominations. The blockade continues as policies remain in effect at the Pentagon that force taxpayers to pay for abortions for people in the military, including covering travel and lodging costs. This week, 5,000 current and former United States military members signed onto a letter saying they stand in strong support of Senator Tuberville's actions. In the letter, they say they, quote, condemn the military's pro-abortion policy and that the mission of the military is to defend lives, not destroy them. EWTN White House correspondent Owen Jensen asked the Department of Defense Press Secretary General Patrick Ryder about this. Here's his response.
The mission of the United States military is to fight and win our wars. It's also our responsibility to ensure that our service members have access to health care no matter which state you're stationed in. And in this case, we're talking about reproductive health care, whether it's in vitro or if it's an abortion